Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise some important concepts of chapter 8. So, the first question is find profit or loss percentage if cost price is 500 and selling price is 450. All of you know that the short form for cost price is CP and the short form for selling price is SP. So, when selling price is greater than cost price, when selling price is greater than cost price, then there is profit. But here cost price is greater than selling price, so it is loss. You have to find out loss percentage also. So first of all, we calculate loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So when you will subtract 450 from 500, that is 500 minus 450, then you will get RS 50. So you have to calculate profit or loss percent, but here it is loss, so we will calculate loss percentage. So loss percentage is equal to loss by CP. So loss is 50 rupees and cost price is 500 into 100. So 0 and 0 will cancel out, here also 5 10 ja, so the loss percentage is 10%. So the loss percent is 10%. Now here you have been given selling price is equal to 330, gain percent is 10%, and you have to find out CP, that is cost price. You know the formula for CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percentage. Here we don't know CP, so you can write CP as CP, and selling price is 330 into 100 plus gain percentage is 10, so 100 plus 10 will be equal to, here it is 10, so 100 plus 10 will be equal to 110. Now you can cancel 0 and 0, 11 3 ja 33 and 10, so cost price will be 300. Now in this question you have been given that the price of an article last year was 200 and the price of that very article this year is 300. You have to find out increase percentage. So first of all, see both the prices. There is a difference of 100. So you will write 100 in the numerator. The original price was 200. So denominator will be 200 multiplied by 100. So you can easily solve this. 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. 2 5 ja 10 and 0. So the answer will be, the increase is 50%. Similarly, you can calculate decrease percentage also in the same process. But you have to remember one thing, that original price will always be at the denominator. Now in this question you have to find out the amount that is to be returned after 2 years when principal is 5,000 and rate of interest is 12%. So all of you know about simple interest. The formula for simple interest is P into R into T by 100, and the formula for amount is equal to P plus SI. So first of all we have to calculate SI. So we will put the value of principal as 5,000, rate of interest will be 12%, that is 12, and here it is per annum. Per annum means every year, and time is 2 years divided by 100. So 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. Now you can multiply 50, 12 and 2. So 12 5 ja is 60, 60 and 0 600. 600 into 2 will be 1200. Now you have to calculate amount. We know that amount is equal to P plus SI. So principal is 5,000. principal is 5,000 and the SI is 1200. So amount will be 6200.